got
Oh, there you go.
so cute. Hey, why do you love Harmony?
Because she's my little sister and I love her so much.
I don't give a flying. Oh, you're being a crybaby. Go, Ma.
We had our go last.
Hey, quick. Why do you love Harmony?
Because I love how she does everything 100%. When at Shabbat, she is just dancing and giving it her all, and it's awesome to watch.
Yes. Quick. Why do you love Harmony?
She's my baby.
Quick. Why do you love Harmony?
Harmony is my favorite NICU baby. Happy baby. Birthday baby.
Yes.
You go let her take it?
Quick. Why do you love Harmony?
Huh?
Why do you love Harmony?
Because she my child. Now move.
Why?
Girl, get that camera out.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
What are you doing? Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Hey.
Quick, why do you love Harmony?
I love Harmony because she's the best sister in the whole wide world. Nina, come here. Ty, she's running around. Come here.
It's the birthday girl.
Oh my God, I've cried all morning. With the arcade, you get a game behind. Alright. What you doing? Who racing? Who winning? Who winning? Oh, you better watch out. You better watch out. Oh my gosh. A motorcycle? How does it feel to be 5?
Good.
Good? How else? How much else do you feel?
Happy.
Happy? Are you having fun?
Yes.
Yes. I'm so proud of you. Turn around. Let me see the back. Let me see the back of your shirt. Turn around. Ooh, birthday number. Birthday number. Which number, Harmony? Which number? Birthday number? Let me see. How many? 5. Oh my gosh. Try again, Harmony. Jump, jump. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Oh my God, you got so big. Okay, let me see you spin. Woo! Hey, hey. You can't get on his back? Oh gosh. Hi, birthday girl. Are you having fun? Yeah, let me see a big smile. Let me see a big smile. Let me see a big smile.
I'm gonna show my dad.
You do? Oh, okay. Okay.
Strangled by a child.
Okay, get down for a second.
Here's the one.
No.
Birthday.
Woo!
Let me see what you want.
Move, let me see you dance. Let me see you dance. Go, go, go. Get it, Nina. Get it, Nina. Get it, Nina. Woo, happy birthday. Uh-oh, say happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay, got it. Thank you.
I'm gonna put them at home in your room, okay?
Okay, see y'all
Wait,
later.
Darren, you want? Let him take one with him. Let him take one. Come on.
No, we done been here.
You have?
Yeah, unless you gonna spend your money. You understand? Yeah, we done been here. Matter of fact, we done played this 10 times.
Hey, you ain't getting nothing? You just trying to get the Princess Peach in the
Yeah, I know
corner,
it.
in the back?
Hey, take a picture of a.
Nina, stand right here so I can get a picture.
Hey, grab the button. There you go. Jiggle it
Look at
around,
me,
push
Nina.
the button, do all that.
Harmony, look at me. Harmony, look at me.
Hey, coming.
Nina,
Appreciate you, man.
Harmony,
All right, now.
there's a Super Mario machine where you could try to win something. Yeah.
What do you mean?
You heard me? It's a Super Mario machine over there.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, and I can get pictures of her in front of it, and she can try to win something if she wants.
Oh, okay.
Quick, why do you love Harmony?
Because she's funny.
Quick, why do you love Harmony?
Because I was with her mom when she was in the womb, and I basically saw her when she was just a newborn baby. And I babysat her, so I love her so much.
Quick, why do you love Harmony?
I love her in my heart.
Quick, why do you love Harmony?
I love her because she loves me and she calls me Evangelist Barbie.
Hey, everybody. Okay, on the count of 3, we're going to say happy birthday to Harmony. So give us a second, okay? Yes.
There, you got her?
We got 2 versions. We'll go through the first one the normal way.